Guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I want to just show you guys, let's try out this platform and see whether this is actually a legit platform or is just another scam. So I saw a YouTube video of someone who withdrew from this platform, and so I decided to test it out. And for the past 2 months I've been mining and I finally got $10 inside. So let's try and withdraw it and see whether it's going to come into my account. So let's begin. I'm just going to log in right here to my account. Click on sign in. So you can see I have $11.4 right there. So right here I'm going to click on withdraw right here, and I'm going to hit on USDT because this is what I have, USDT 3 TRC20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my wallet address. Okay, so I'm going to click on deposit right here. I'm going to search for USDT. After that, I'm going to pick my network to be TRC20 right here, and then I'll copy this address and head back to ListNova, and then right here, let me just refresh this page. I'm going to put in the amount, which is going to be $10, and I'm going to put in my address, which is going to be this. I'm going to hit on withdraw. Okay, so that's it right there. Let's go back home and see withdrawals. This is our withdrawal right here today by this time, no others. So right now I'm just going to wait a little while, let's say 10 minutes, and let me see if I'm going to be receiving anything into my wallet. If I don't, if I do, I'm going to share it with you guys. Okay, so this is officially 2 days, and I waited 2 days due to their fact about withdrawal, that withdrawal takes about 24 to 48 hours, but due to the amount it could be 30 minutes, it could be up to 48 hours. So I've waited 2 days for it, and let's go to my Bybit account right now and let me show you my accounts. You can see nothing is inside, still $0. So don't waste your time on that platform. I've seen so many people posting some things on YouTube and saying it's a good platform, and most people are actually saying they withdrew from it, but this is my own review about it. It's a scam. It's not a good platform at all. So do not waste your energy, your precious time on this platform. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.